Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. Happy 2021. Thank God 2020 is over. We made it through. New year, new us. So let's get a fresh start. Let's hit that bell ringer. This is from the second benchmark that you took right before winter break. This is one that we did okay on. So this is what the majority of our bell ringers coming up are going to be. They're going to be benchmark questions that we could use a little help with. So let me guide you toward the correct answer. So let's read it, shall we? It says meiosis results in genetic variability within a species. As a reminder, that genetic variability, that just means that there is a variety, so multiple differences in genes, in the genetics, so they don't all look identical. So which process is likely responsible for this? So here's the thing. All four of these answers in this question are all true about meiosis. Remember, meiosis is, let me pull up that picture. Meiosis is that process that our sex cells will go through, our gametes. So if you're a male, that sperm cell. If you're a female, that egg cell. It's that process that forms new sex cells. So all of these four things are true about that process. We do have replication of the genes in the parent cell. They do replicate so they can make more cells. They do exchange genes between chromosomes. They do form four daughter cells, see 1, 2, 3, 4. And they do have a reduction, or they reduce the amount of chromosomes in the parent cells. So you can even see that in the picture. There's half the amount of chromosomes. So we have four daughter cells that have half the amount of chromosomes. But the question asks, what causes the genetic variation or the genetic variability within the species? So why are all of these chromosomes not completely identical? So if you look up here, we have those two chromosomes, and notice how they overlap and they go through that process we talked about during the review, especially for the benchmark, so this should hopefully be kind of fresh. That crossing over, they literally lay on top of each other and swap their genes. See how here this one is solid blue and this one is solid red? They lay on top of each other and they just do a little bit of trading. They trade out some of their genes until, bam, they are not completely solid blue or solid red. They have a different types of genes now within that chromosome. So then when they separate again into the four daughter cells, again, they're not all identical. So what is going to actually cause that genetic variability is that B, that exchange or the trading of genetic material or the genes between the chromosomes. Okay, go ahead and type B and then explain why B is the correct choice, and then I'll see you down there at direct instruction.